Boilers. This lecture is a part of the series of lectures on boiler fundamentals. Boilers are key power source for electrical generation in and around the world and for providing heat in process industries and buildings. Here we deal primarily with water tube boilers. A boiler is comprised of two basic systems. Request: it is hoped that this lecture is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. Here is the basic diagram of a boiler. It is in a block diagram form. A boiler is comprised of two basic systems shown in the attached figure. One system is the steam water system, also called the water side of the boiler. The other boiler system is the fuel air flue gas system, also referred to as the fire side of the boiler. Here we are having another diagram, a schematic diagram of the basic boiler, in which we have shown fire side of the boiler and the water side of the boiler. Steam water system. In the water side, water is introduced and heated by transference through the water tubes, converted to steam, and leaves the system as steam. Boilers must maintain a chemical balance. The manner in which this is done can interact with the feed water control system. The amount of blowdown must be considered in the feed water control scheme, especially if the blowdown is continuous. Continuous blowdown is the common method for controlling the chemical concentration. On large boilers, this may be done automatically by measuring the boiler water conductivity to control the blowdown rate. In utility plants, conductivity is usually measured and blowdown is achieved manually. This is required on a periodic basis or when the conductivity gets too high. Conductivity is measured in micromhos, which is equal to the reciprocal of 1 mega ohm resistance. The other boiler system is the fuel air flue gas system, also referred to as the fire side of the boiler. This system provides the heat that is transferred to the water. The inputs to this system are the fuel and air required to burn the fuel. The fuel and air chamber is also referred to as the wind box. The outputs are the flue gas and ash. Request: it is hoped that this lecture is useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.